Hi, I'm Karen Gibbs, Creative Director for Banyan Batiks, and I've made a table runner out of my Ride On 3 collection, and I'm getting ready to quilt it today, and I thought I'd show the process of free motion quilting on the Longarm. So this is my table runner with Ride On 3 collection. And what I'm looking to do on this is a tabletop bar. So I've used a very thin batting, Dream Poly. I think it's Request. It's very, very thin because I don't want a lot of thickness on the table. I've chosen to do almost like a cloud pattern. It's a little bit of a swirl and comes back out. So it's just an all over. The scale was based on the piecing, like this right here. I didn't want to do something that was huge and large. Okay, it's based on the piecing, and I guess as well the bikes in there, they're smaller, right? So I didn't want to do something big. So I'm just gonna go and continue quilting, probably like this across, and then I'll be done.